Friedrich Kicherer, operating out of Ellwangen, ranks among Germany's largest mid-sized companies in steel wholesale, processing and finishing. Life without cutting-edge telematics has long become unimaginable here. In contrast, order management, tracking, profitability and driving times analyses, and managing SIM cards and tablets were formerly handled via different providers. All that changed when TISLOG was introduced. We made a conscious decision to switch to TIS. We found the whole concept compelling, that all our requirements for telematics and order management could be mapped in one system instead of many as before. Added to this, TISLOG is expanded on a running basis to include new modules, with an app for departure checks or documentation of load securing with integrated photo function, for instance. After a phase of intensive testing, the system was approved by all those involved and installed in the entire vehicle fleet at the start of 2021. Implementing the project was possible in a few days. The fact that TIS provided us with an experienced employee between the Christmas holiday and New Year who was ready to assist us at any time with any issues deserves a special mention. We felt we were in good hands during the implementation. The processing and analysis of tachograph data runs permanently via the TISLOG Office portal, and from there automatically to Kicherer's route planning software. Once planned, the routes are sent via mobile communication to the tablets equipped with the TISLOG app. Drivers are given exact and clearly understandable order data, which can be transmitted immediately at the push of a button to the integrated navigation system. Drivers are taken step by step through the delivery process. After a period of 3 months, our drivers were telling me that they felt very relaxed when driving. They are very happy and can now drive an additional 100 kilometers without being stressed at all. Furthermore, I was able to save some of the drivers' licenses with the aid of route tracking. For instance, there was an accident involving damage to a garden fence. The driver did in fact drive past it, but at a different time, which could be proven. I was able to give this proof to the police and exonerate the driver. The driver's high level of acceptance is not the only advantage which makes daily business a great deal easier. Mass memory downloading alone generally takes half an hour per vehicle and has to be done every 3 months at the latest. With 86 vehicles, you can calculate the savings. Furthermore, the drivers know that we can track the speed at which they drive, so keep strictly to the limits. This enables us to drive very economically with low diesel consumption, which is very important nowadays.